What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest Pokemon Go spoofer and how to install it here for both iOS and Android. What we're going to do here is run you through the full tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my screen recording right now so you guys can follow along. This is super easy. You do not need a computer, and this is going to work as of 2024, and I'm going to run you through exactly how to do this. Now, if you guys see on your screen right now, we have got the Pokemon Go spoofer. As you guys can see, we're moving around. Now, there's going to be some insane features with this. So what we can do is come over to the map, okay? And as you guys are going to see, you're going to see all Pokemon around you on the map. So you can go ahead, say if you see a Pokemon you want, or you need to visit a gym, you just simply go over here and say, okay, we want Lechonk. So we just go ahead, hold on Lechonk, press teleport, press OK, and then we teleport to him right there. So it really is that easy. Now, like I said, this is going to be a full tutorial of how to install this without a computer. All we're going to need to do is go to Easy Spoof, get the plugin, and that's going to install the Pokemon Go spoofer. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So what we're going to do is come over here to Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser you visit, and we're going to visit this website. So type in this. It's called easyspoof.com. I'm going to spell it out because I have an accent, so follow along. www.easyspoof.com. easyspoof.com. Once you're there, it's going to take you to this website. It's going to say a Pokemon Go tool that takes you everywhere. What you can do, change your GPS location, fake location, teleport, go anywhere, walking simulator, so you can also just tap to walk instead of teleporting. There's also a joystick that you can use and just move around in the location. Check IV previews as well, which is an awesome feature. Modify your catch settings like auto catch, throw a curveball, all these cool things you can do with Easy Spoof. So what we're going to do is come over here to the top, press on download now, and like I said, you want to make sure you have Pokemon Go installed, but you press start installation. What that's going to do is install the Pokemon Go spoofer from Easy Spoof to your device. So it doesn't take that long. Easy Spoof's going to go ahead and actually complete this and do this for you. You just got to wait for this to finish. It's going to patch the files and it's going to be all good. Now, on the next page, what it's going to ask you is get some additional plugin files to install the spoofer. And this is why we don't need a computer. Now, if you're going to do this with a computer, you're going to have to plug it in and sideload it and do all this stuff. With this method, we don't need a computer. We install it from our web browser. However, we're going to need these additional plugin files. So I'm going to run you through how to do that, so don't worry. It's super easy, but you guys are going to see this in just a second. So, as you guys can see, what it's going to do is going to go ahead and load right here, okay? And it's going to take us to the install plugin page. Now what you're going to see is going to say your plugin, which is the Pokemon Go spoofer, requires 2 additional plugin files to install. What you're going to see here is a list of them. You should see about 3. Now, all you need to do is complete these. They're all completely for free. You only need to do 2 of 3 for it to work. Now, if you see this fetch one, go ahead and do this one. I've actually already did this one, but it's super easy. It just says go ahead and get fetch and then open it up. So that's the first one. That's why it's number 1. It's because it's the easiest. So go do that if you see that one. I'm going to do ones that are a bit harder in case you don't have ones like that, because it is dependent on if you're on iOS or Android. So I'm going to help the Android people out here. So there's this one called Coin Master. It says go ahead and get Coin Master and complete Village Level 3. So we're going to go ahead and do that and show you what to do. Now in this video, I actually went ahead and actually already completed the Village Level 3 just to save a bit of time. But it actually doesn't take too long at all. As you guys can see, we've got the Coin Master app. I'll just go in and show you the app right now. But essentially is I went ahead and got Village Level 3. Like I said, it took about 5 minutes in order to do that. And if it says to get level 7, you got to make sure you complete whatever it says. So you just make sure you guys are reading these. They are completely for free. And as you guys can see, let's just get all this stuff. We've got some coins, cool. So I'm going to scroll down to my village once I get all the notifications out. No, it just wants me to add friends. No. Okay, now we're in here. As you guys can see, I'm scrolled down to my village and I'm village level 4. Like I said, this took about 5 minutes in order to do. All you need to do to level up your village, you get coins from spinning and then you upgrade your village. You just tap them and you upgrade. It's so easy. So that's how easy it is, guys, to get your village leveled up. Now that's the first one complete. What we're going to do now is the second one. So we've got this one here called Evertail. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This one just says go ahead and open up Evertail, install it. So we're going to do that. Now, like I said, if you see the fetch one, make sure you do that one because that is the easiest one I found. So make sure you guys are doing that one. I'm going to go ahead and get this Evertail one right now. And like I said, guys, these are completely for free. They don't cost you anything. As you guys can see, you just download it, and then that's going to wait for it to install. Now, remember guys, if you have different ones to me in this list, all you need to do is when you tap it, is read the unlock instructions, and you only need to do 2 of them. If you don't see it after doing 2, maybe try a 3rd one. It can be bugged out sometimes, but make sure you guys are reading those. Okay, as you guys can see, Evertail is now completed in the download. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now it's going to look weird because it's a sideways game, but yeah, essentially is you just go ahead, open it up, use the app for a bit, download it, play it, it's fun, it's a cool game, and then that's going to install the spoofer, okay? So now that we've completed that, guys, that should be now complete. What we need to do is simply come back to this page, and it's going to ask us, do we want to install the spoofer? So I'm going to wait till that pops up, it shouldn't be too long. Alrighty, and as you guys can see, it's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. So once you completed them, it's going to pop up with this. Now if you're an Android, it's going to install the APK, so you should be all good. But just press allow, press close. Then you're going to come over to settings on your iOS, and you're going to see more for your iPhone, or you're going to see something that says profile downloaded. So you tap on that, and then press install for easy spoof. Type in your passcode, press next, press install, press done. And now we have the Easy Spoof VIP basically plugin installed. And now once you go back into Pokemon Go, you're going to have the spoofer there and ready to go. So it is that easy, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's super easy. And like I said, so many cool features. Just go hold to teleport, boom, run over there. And it literally is that easy. And like I said, there's even some crazy settings like here where we can go and turn on the joystick. And then once we've got the joystick, we can just then freely move around in this new area that we teleported to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment if you need any help, and give this video a like if it did work for you. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.